The ability to communicate vehicle to vehicle while on the trail can help keep us safe and connected. Let's take a look at a quality GMRS radio that we just installed in our Jeep. Welcome back to Expedition Builds. Here's a look at our install of Midland's MXT575J GMRS radio. We selected this radio for its 50 watts of power. We also like that the 575 has all the radio controls built into the handset. This will give us options on where we can mount the radio head unit in the Jeep. Here's a quick look at everything that comes in this kit. The J designation on this box refers to the Jeep co-branding on the mic. Because I want to do a somewhat custom install of this radio on my Jeep, I won't be using the included antenna in this kit. Another nice feature is this fast charging USB-C port included on the radio head unit. We'll definitely be taking advantage of that, keeping our devices charged while out on the trail. And here's a look at the additional parts I ordered for my install. Those being the extension cable, the low profile antenna cable, and the MicroMobile Ghost antenna. And here's a look at the American Adventure Lab parts I'll be using to mount the radio unit. These JL side Molle panels will allow me to take advantage of the space located just inside the rear quarter panel windows, just behind the passenger seats. This made mounting the radio bracket super easy. One of the very cool aspects of working with American Adventure Lab is you can custom powder coat almost anything you can order from them. For these side Molle panels, I chose a triple bronze clear coat. This will pick up on the bronze theme of the 392. And here you can see where the side Molle panels attach. Molle panels installed, radio installed, and I still had room for some accessories. These side Molle panels were great at capturing storage space inside the Jeep and giving me a way to mount that radio. Having the radio mounted in this location provides for excellent speaker clarity. Here's the cable I used to connect the radio to the handset. I routed the cable underneath the rear carpeting and up inside the center console. It comes out right here at the base of the dash, making for a very clean, tidy install. And here's a look from the driver's point of view. And now, let me share with you what we did with the antenna and the antenna mount. Here you can see the ditch light bracket I used to mount the antenna with. I've already installed the low profile cable and we're ready to put this on the Jeep. Here's the Midland ditch light bracket and antenna mounted on the Jeep. I love the small, compact size of the 3 decibel Ghost antenna, and the reception has been excellent. For the antenna cable, I dropped it down to the engine compartment, ran it along the frame rail, and had it come up right under the passenger rear seat, nice and clean and out of the way. From there, it was a straight shot up to the radio. The antenna cable and all wires are tucked nicely behind trim and carpeting. And here's a look at some of the features that make this such a great radio. We hope you've enjoyed this review of Midland's MXT575 MicroMobile radio. It feels good knowing that we roll out with the safety and convenience of quality communications in our Jeep. Until next time, stay safe, and we'll see you on the trails.